Student Worksheet English for Mathematics. A title: Number and Competition 1. How to sheet the competition number and its variant. B. Introduction 1. Problem. The simple generalization of the classic Erdős-Rényi random graph process leads to some challenging mathematical problem and its process relate to a variety of cycle application. We trace the growth of the random graph theory from its inception with the fundamental paper of Erdős and Rényi in 1950 until 60 to the present, covering a 30-year period that has just seen the appearance of the first issue of a journal devoted to his subject, namely the Journal of Random Structure and Algorithm. Naturally, our treatment is sketchy, but we mention some of the outstanding result, application, and method discovered during this time. Although the area has been nicely developed, it is still only a beginning for the theory of random graph. We conclude with several unsolved problems, including some that involve the reconstruction conjecture, isomorphism problem, chromatic number, and Hamiltonian calculus. To gap. It is thus necessary to understand number and competition, starting with understanding and vertices and no edges, sequentially introduce edges so as to obtain a sequence of graph is having no vertex of degree greater than f. The latter are called f-graph. At each step, the edge to be added is selected with equal probability from among those edges, whose addition will not violate the f-degree restriction. A terminal graph of this procedure is called a sequentially generated random G maximal f-graph, and the procedure the random f-graph process of order n. 3. Purpose. The purpose behind to study is to while many of these reports have been geared to free college mathematics, their implementation will require change in the way teachers are prepared in college as well as adaptation to new abilities and attitudes that shall be evident in students entering college in the future.
C. Methods 1. Context or design. The study sample was obtained by means of trying students how to apply graph theory in non-traditional teaching methods in the future college world. Using key terms used in the books Quo Vadis Graph Theory. 2. Participants or sampling. We use a sample of 400 students of the second cycle of obligatory secondary education of high school in Badajoz. The participants respond to a graph theory. 3. Data collection or instrument. The data collection instrument was a questionnaire on belief and attitudes about mathematics. It comprised 62 items, each with 4 response alternatives: strongly agree, agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. Items relate to belief about the role of the numbers and competition, and about accept of the graph theory context were added, based on a review of the literature and on the instrument of the aforementioned work. 4. Variable beliefs, attitudes, emotion, mathematics of concept, education on learning mathematics. 5. Data analysis or statistics. We review standard multivariate statistical methods useful for exploring network data and discuss various problems related to statistical analysis and modeling. General methods are suggested for three main problem areas, namely whether there is a need for block models, whether there is dependence between dates, and whether there is dependence between different networks. In particular, we illustrate the use of logit regression analysis in order to fit log linear models. We comment on various themes in the literature that are important for future research on statistical graph modeling.
The result. We saw that the circulant graph with order 2v for v a prime are Hamiltonian decomposable. A variety of recent reports have recommended sweeping change in content and method of teaching mathematics. While many of these reports have been geared to free college mathematics, their implementation will require change in the way teachers are prepared in college, as well as adaptation to new ability and attitude that shall be evident in students entering college in the future.
E. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. To conclude, graph theory is an area for mathematics that is particularly well suited to non-traditional methods of teaching. It is also one of the topics recommended for inclusion in high school mathematics course. This presentation will include information from two reports from the National Council of the Teacher of Mathematics and the Mathematical Science Education Board, along with ideas for incorporating discovery method learning into graph theory class. Suggestion: this will be a new breakthrough in the world of higher education in the future, where the millennial generation will contribute to the formation of even more effective learning methods in the field of mathematics.